Okay, so we live in a spiritual world and we live in a holographic reality. Everything that is coming from our imagination is then manifested into the 3D holographic reality for us to experience. So whatever you want to actually go ahead and experience in this 3D reality, you have to become it first to attract it. You know, people say be the energy that you want to attract, because you are literally attracting to your life what you are being vibrationally. This is a vibrational universe and everything is vibrating at a certain frequency, and whatever frequency you are vibrating at, you attract everything on the same and similar vibrational frequency for you to experience. Okay, so everything's energy, and your thoughts and your feelings are also vibrating at a certain frequency. So whatever you want to attract into your life, you have to become internally to then reflect it externally for you to experience, because it is just a mirror. So for example, if you want to find true love, then you have to love yourself and give yourself true love, and then that can be reflected externally for you to experience in people, situations, friendships, relationships, all of that, because you have actually attracted it to you by being that vibration. So again, whatever that you want to experience, you have to first give it to yourself and be it. Another example is if you want to be validated, well, you have to validate yourself first, and then it can be reflected externally, and people will validate you because you validate yourself. Okay, it's literally a mirror. So just think of it like that. Whatever you want to experience, realize that you have to become that thing before you can experience. If you can't become it, then how can you attract it? Because you only attract more of what you are, and what you are is what you are being. And this works in all areas of your life. Okay, love is just an example, but it's probably the strongest one, because if you are operating on the vibrational frequency of love that is so high up, then that is going to be reflected in everything for you to experience. It's just going to reflect back to you what you are being, which is love. But it also works with all attributes. If you want to, feel powerful, then you have to become powerful within, in your own being, and therefore people will find you powerful. If you want to be accepted, then you have to accept yourself first, and then this can be reflected externally. Okay, if you want to be admired, you have to admire yourself. Like whatever you would like, you have to be. It's as simple as that. And to get to being what you want to attract, you have to align your thoughts with what you want to attract. So if you spend your whole day saying that you're not worthy, you're not good enough, all of this, that's exactly what you are going to get. But if you say that you are worthy, you are good enough, you love yourself, you validate yourself, and you're not only saying them and thinking them, but you feel that as well, because it's the feeling that's going to draw everything to you. Your thoughts do create your whole reality, but it's the feeling that's so powerful, because that is what is like projected everywhere, and it attracts it back to you. So it's like there are wires coming from your thoughts, your imagination out, and from your feelings out. So then people, places, circumstances, everything can come to you to mirror what is going on for you internally.